Library friends and staff. My name is Jenn Cline, and this is our last holiday origami video. We're on week 6, and we're going to be making origami snowflakes. I'm going to hold it up here. Now, the paper that I used for this is vellum. It's kind of a plasticky kind of paper, but like it holds the cuts really nice. So like if I want to save them from year to year, I can. So we're going to get started. We're going to take our rectangular piece of paper and we're going to cut it into a square. So I'm going to take my corner here and I'm going to fold it all the way down to there. I'm going to get a good crease. And then I don't need this triangle down, this rectangle down here. So I'm going to cut that off by either using scissors or in my case, I'm just going to tear it. Now this is something that you can do with your small children as long as they know how to use scissors. So it's good for fine motor skills also. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our triangle and we're going to make it into a smaller triangle by taking one corner and folding it over to the other. Now if you watched my week 4 video, we did 5 pointed stars and 6 pointed stars. The next folds that we're going to make here are very much like that. We're going to take these two and cross them over while still maintaining the point at the bottom. So we're kind of going to be folding it into thirds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold that up, give it a crease, fold this side over, give it a crease. We have a funny piece of paper that looks like that. Now what we need is our scissors because we're going to cut right across this line. Top line just goes straight across. When we made the stars, we did a big drastic cut. Over here, we just need to cut it. This is going to be the basis for your origami snowflake. So basically, when you make a snowflake, you're going to be taking one slice and cutting it. So what I like to do, and this is just me, and obviously you don't have to do this. I like to cut the bottom piece off at an angle because I like to have a hollow center for my snowflakes. From this point on, you're just gonna free cut. Never cutting all the way across because as soon as you cut all the way across, everything above it is going to be useless. So you wanna cut along the edges and down from the top in here a bit. And you can cut along here too. Just as long as you don't cut all the way through, you'll be fine. So since snowflakes tend to be kind of geometric, I like to cut little triangles into mine. So I'm going to cut a couple little triangles. It's going to be a big triangle. And then up here, I can cut in here. So I'll cut from here. And maybe I'll just cut straight down here. And then, I did not cut that enough. Once I get that cut, separate it out because you're cutting through multiple layers of paper, so it's going to be a little bit tough. That's okay. And then I'm going to cut some little ones over on the opposite side, never cutting all the way through, just cutting on the edges. This one I'm going to bring out a bit. And here is a slice of what my snowflake looks like. So I'm going to open it up carefully. Look at that. Open that side up. Open this side up. And there is my snowflake. Now, like I said, the nice thing about vellum is that you can save these snowflakes from year to year. They look fantastic. They hold up to it. It's really nice. So I want to thank everyone for joining me for my 6-class origami holiday program. I'd like to thank Mentor Public Library for allowing me to do this and giving me the platform to do it. And I hope everyone enjoyed it. And obviously, if you want to watch it, we'll have those up for you. Thanks. Have a good holiday. Bye.